This is a thank you to Leonard Cohen. This song is called The Crow and the Nightingale.
Thank you for your words of longing. It doesn't really matter whether or not I understood them. It doesn't really matter where they take me or how they take me. A witch black hair in a storm, an unruly sea of south frozen fear, or a paradise of parts. As long as it's not here, as long as it's not here, but a rooftop I can go to scream above the birds, adding my dull sheen to your brilliant words. A job for crystal, wrap in the sun with sail, wrap in the sun, wrap in the sun with sail, wrap in the sun. Without hurting, I can try. in a padded room behind frosted glass, howling at the moon, squawking at the sky. A racket and a tin